y'all. All right, so I got my acrylic here hot off the press. I removed the protective film and pressed it, you know, 400 degrees, 90 seconds. Now use your tool here, and whichever size of bracelet you purchased, you just wrap it around. So this is, oops, this is the wrong one. I need to go up one. This is the medium. So you just wrap it around your wood just like that, and just hold it for a few seconds, cause it hardens up super, super fast, okay? So just hold it for a few seconds, just like that, and it'll start hardening up, and then you can take it off. This tool right here you get from Amazon. It comes with a small, a medium, a large, and an extra large, okay? The bracelets we're gonna make right now is just small, medium, and large, because the large even fits Mike and Gabe's wrist. So, and they're men. So most commonly size is gonna be the small, which is my wrist, and then the medium. But some of those ladies do have a little thicker wrist. My best friend does, and she would need the large. All right, so now it's hardened up just like that, and your cuff bracelet is done. Okay, now it's still gonna be a little warm. Also, if you want these to bend inward a little bit more, just go, if you don't have a heat gun, buy one. Just go over to your heat gun and let it warm up, and then just bend them in just a little bit. All you gotta do is let it warm up, but make sure you have your gloves on, and then just bend it in, and you can make them bend in a little bit more. Like this one, I did that too. I bent it in a little bit more. You can do that if you want, or you can use them just the way they are, okay? And they are amazing. This one is already cooled off, and it fits my wrist. And it is so good. I love them so much. Easy on, easy off, don't fall off. So I can't wait for these. Just think of holidays, names, monograms. This one's almost cooled off. Let me remove this piece of tape here. But again, we're going to be doing a live. I will have my heat gun back here during my live, and I'm going to show you different tips and tricks. So please join us for our live. It is the last Tuesday of August. I cannot remember the date of it, but not this following Tuesday, but the next. So make sure you join us. If we're past August and you're watching this on another platform, we've already done our live. So you can replay our live. If you have any questions, please let me know. Small, medium, large. We're gonna have cuff bracelets and earrings. Bye, y'all.